Do you want to grow your own crunchy bell peppers at home? This video will guide you on a journey from seed to harvest, showing just how rewarding it can be to nurture your own bell peppers. Follow these simple steps to start your bell pepper garden journey. First things first, gather your necessary materials. You'll need bell pepper seeds, a pot or a plot of garden space, potting soil, compost or fertilizer, and, of course, a sunny location. Each component plays a crucial role in growing crunchy bell peppers. Once you've assembled these items, you're ready to begin planting. Now, it's time to get your hands dirty. Start by preparing the soil. It should be well drained and rich in organic matter. Plant the bell pepper seeds about 1/4 of an inch deep, spacing them about 1 foot apart. Water them gently, but thoroughly. Bell peppers thrive in warm conditions, so aim for a temperature range of 70 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. They also love sunlight, so a spot that gets at least 6 hours of direct sun daily is ideal. Remember, patience is key. It may take a few weeks to see sprouts, but it'll be worth the wait. After planting, the work isn't over. Now it's time to nurture your bell pepper plants. Regular watering is key, but remember, too much can lead to root rot. Fertilize your plants every 2 weeks for optimal growth. Be vigilant for pests, they can be quite stealthy. Now the moment of truth, harvest time. When your bell peppers are glossy, firm, and full-sized, they're ready to be picked. With proper care and attention, you'll have a bountiful harvest of your own crunchy bell peppers. Growing bell peppers at home is a rewarding experience. We've walked through gathering your materials, planting your seeds, and nurturing them into a bounty of crunchy, vibrant peppers. The beauty of this process is that it's within anyone's reach. All it takes is a bit of time and effort. And the reward? Fresh, crisp bell peppers straight from your garden to your table. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!